Alright, we're going to talk about electron configuration. Now, last time we talked about electron structure, but the thing is that every time when you want to describe what is happening, describe the electrons around an element or an ion or whatever have you, and you want to describe it by drawing it out, when you have to draw it when you describe different types of elements or ions, you have to draw different types of electron structures, and the process of drawing these electron structures can be very time consuming. So chemists devised another method to communicate with each other in a way that just saves us time, all right? And this concept is called the electron configuration, and it's really related to the electron structure. Okay, so let's take a look at hydrogen again, and we're going to see how we are going to draw the electron configuration. Now, the basic concept of drawing the electron configuration is to relate the number of electrons in a particular shell to its Arabic number. So, the way people draw electron configuration is usually to form a parentheses, or y'all call it a bracket. Totally wrong. Okay, so this is a parentheses, and for hydrogen we have one energy level and only one electron. So the electron configuration for hydrogen is just one. So this is the configuration, and this is the structure. Okay. For lithium, well, we have two energy levels, so the two energy levels are separated by a comma. And we have two electrons in the first energy level and one electron in the second energy level. So it's written, the electron configuration is written as 1, 2, 1. All right? What about carbon? Carbon has, again, two shells, so separate that by a comma, and it has 2 electrons in the first shell and 4 electrons in the second shell. So its electron configuration is 2, 4. Let's look at chlorine. Chlorine has 3 electron shells. So we separate them by inserting 2 commas in there. The first shell has 2 electrons. The second shell has 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 electrons, so we write an 8 here. And the last shell has 7 electrons, so we write a 7 over there. So what about calcium? Calcium has 4 energy levels. So we separate them by inserting 3 commas. All right, first has 2, second energy level has 8, third energy level has 8, and the final energy level has 2 electrons. So that is the electron configuration for calcium. All right, so again, this is just a method of chemists talking to each other in paper format and explaining where the electrons are in relation to the atom or ions.